Hi everybody and welcome back to my basement once again. Today I'm gonna review a camera bag, but it's not gonna be the usual giant camera backpack that can carry 1,000 cameras, drones and lenses. Actually, we're gonna go the other way completely and review something small, light and possibly inconspicuous. See if you can carry drones stealthy without getting noticed too much. And that bag is inside this small box. It's the OneGo rope strap bag. The unboxing is super nice. Look how premium it feels. They even put the parchment paper on it. I love when they put attention to detail to the unboxing. And boom! The bag has a super cool design. It comes in different colors and it's made of this kind of nylon and polyurethane fabric. A little bit waterproof. The zippers are not, at least what I can see, but they are made by YKK, which is a very nice zipper company from Japan. It feels super light at 370 grams, but still it offers quite a little bit of padding to your gear. The standout feature of this bag is this rope system running all around it that not only makes it feel more modern, different, and it doesn't scream camera gear in your face. Actually, it looks a little bit more stylish than usual camera gear, especially if you get it in a color different than black. It allows you to wear it in different ways. The first way is the standard one. You shoulder strap it, either crossbody or like this, super comfortable. And you can actually adjust your straps either from the top or from the bottom by unhooking these knots right here. So boom, you get a lot more length and still you get a hooking point right here. I am very happy that the strap gets extra long because I like wearing my bags like this. Way down, way at the back, so I can move freely and I am not encumbered. If you don't want to use the strap, you can actually unhook it thanks to these carabiners. When you have the strap attached, you can use this rope at the middle as a handle for your bag. But when you remove the strap, boom, you can use this strap as a much longer handle, and this way it becomes a regular bag you can hand carry when you're strolling, or even put it under your arm and carry like this. The bag doesn't have much going on outside. It doesn't have external pockets, sadly, because I would have liked having a small pockets to put maybe your wallet for quick access. It only has 6 very nice hidden hook mounting points right here. They are stitched, but they are very strong. Made for hooking things with carabiners, maybe your earphones, maybe your keys, and maybe even your drones. You can also use these loops for attaching extra stuff. The bag has a hidden zipper running all the way around it, so you can get a little bit extra space inside it if you need it. And finally, let's check out the internal pockets. Boom! First of all, you have this side pocket that will fit quite a bunch of stuff: wallets, memory cards, batteries. In the main space, you have 3 compartments. One has Velcro, so you can move it around, but it's actually stitched at the bottom, so stuff will not move around between compartments. You can choose, you can see here there is no Velcro, here there is, so you can actually move it in the second half of the bag. This bag is meant for a camera. I'm gonna make it work for drones, but of course this is the main part. You are supposed to put a camera in here. Here maybe a lens, and then you have this totally stitched compartment you cannot not actually move around. It's made for a water bottle or another smaller lens. For example, this is a full frame 85mm. It's not a small lens, it's not a big lens, but it's gonna fit no problem in the water bottle compartment. And for reference, this is a 150 to 500mm full frame lens. It's quite big. I mean, it barely fits, but it's a huge lens. And we have not even opened the expansion part of the bag. And now it fits a little bit better. And we are in the middle of a lavender field here in my hometown. It's a perfect place to test this bag. Look what I put inside it. You wouldn't say from the outside, but I'm carrying a drone actually. Look at this. Boom. We got the goggles, the radio. Of course you need to have small goggles and small radio, a drone, and even the batteries for the drone. This is a very inconspicuous stealthy kit for small drones, of course, small gear. And in the small pocket I even have a memory card holder. So really everything fits in here. And that's all for today. If you're looking for a good compromise between style and function, I feel like this is a very nice camera bag. It's, of course, again, made mostly for cameras, and for that is pretty on point. For drones, we made it work, but you need to have very small gear. I wish they pushed the function aspect of it a little bit further by adding a couple of external pockets and maybe a little bit more versatility inside with a couple extra movable dividers. And I feel like it's gonna be a great option for traveling as well, because it compacts down into a pancake and it doesn't take much space in your luggage at all. And as always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this bag. Let me know if you have a small FPV kit you run around with. And if you wanna buy something, check out the links in the description below, because clicking on them, you help my channel a lot. Thank you so much, and nice carrying drones in a bag. Bye!